debate into whether we want to add a little bit. Hello. Whether we want to add a little bit and go and see a waterfall, maybe.
Day one in the tent done. Was a little bit wet.
A little bit.
And-
This was me. This wasn't the tent.
Oh yeah, did you have a shower?
No.
Yes, we got a little bit wet, but not really. We didn't get that much wet, but the food did, but that's okay.
And I think the camping chairs and the plasters took the brunt of it.
Yes. And we've had lovely plasters, lovely scrambled eggs for brekkie, and now we're going for a walk.
Cheapies.
You're pretty. Never seen you from this angle before.
Doing an after.
Okay guys, that, some very shaky hands, is Jean Milburn's house. Such education. Very fun. It's gorgeous. Dee dee dee. Dee. It's Jean Milburn's house. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Okay, I've got the route in text form.
Okay.
Yeah, follow the road, passing the lime kilns, which we did. Take a moment to read the information sign when you arrive at the site of Mr. Partridge's ironwork.
Which we just passed. Hello. I was just going to update us. We Max had a lovely walk mapped out or planned out for us, including a little stop at the pub for lunch at the end. But we have taken our sweet time, and so we are not very far in. And I just helped an old lady down a very steep bit, which was very sweet. So we're now just wandering for a little bit. But you will have seen Jean Milburn's house, which we passed from Sex Ed. Love you, Gillian Anderson. And now we're just going on a walkie.